Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can boost your app performance in your Redmi 13C smartphone. If your app is working slow or lag issues, crash issues, how you can solve these type of problems in your phone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the security app and you have to see this cleaner and boost speed. You have to first click on the cleaner app and click on cleanup, and then you have to press back, click on boost speed. It will fix your slowdown problem of your apps. Click on clean now, and it is optimizing. Then you have to press back, click on optimize, and friends, now your app performance is boosted. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.